Hey guys, in this video, we'll be learning how to draw L-shaped window on interior wall using free modeling. Let's get started. Over here I have a floor plan. So first thing we want to do is use the column to create the wall. So drag a column in. Next thing you want to do is to resize the column. So 240 for my length, 1500 for the width. And then just drag to adjust. Right, so this is done. Over here we're going to create another one. So same thing, we use the column, adjust the size. Right, next thing you want to do is drag and adjust the position. Right, so once the wall has been built, right now we can use the free modeling function. So click into the free modeling function. First thing we want to do is to add the guideline. So we can always use the auxiliary. So I'm going to add my guideline to draw the shape later. Alright, so I'm done drawing the guideline. So I have a shape here, so I can use the line to draw accordingly. And right now I have a surface. Alright, so go to the bottom and then we use the stretch to stretch the surface. So I'm going to stretch 500. Alright, so next thing I want to do is to stretch additional 10 mm of the surface. So we can click on stretch and then we click on shift. Right, now you can see the cursor, there's a plus sign. So click on the surface and drag it down and type in 10. Right, so this is what I get. Next thing I want to do, alright, so we are still going to draw over here. So use the rectangle, draw a surface, same goes to the left side. Create another surface. Alright, so now click on stretch, click on shift and drag 10 mm. Same goes to this side, 10 mm. Alright, now once we are done drawing, we can clear the auxiliary and return. Right, so we can always go to cloud and drag in the materials. Okay, so if you don't want to drag in one by one, remember to group the entire free modeling by pressing Ctrl G. Now we may insert the color by pressing Ctrl, and there you have it. So this is how to draw L-shaped window on interior wall using the free modeling function. Good luck trying, guys.